Here we're given a graph of f of x equal to sine x minus 30. Is basically the sine x graph shifted to the right by 30 degrees. We need to evaluate f of x times the derivative of f of x greater than 0. So first we're going to find the critical values, and the critical values will be done as follows. Where is f of x equal to 0, meaning cutting the x-axis? It's going to be at 30 and 210. Then we need to figure out where is the derivative of f of x equal to 0. It'll be at its stationary points, in this case the maxima at 120 and the minima at 300 degrees. Now we use the endpoints, including these points, to set up a table which would help us figure out this answer, right? So the endpoints will be 0 and 360, right? And from smallest to highest, this will be 30, this will be 120, this will be 210, and 300, I'll just squeeze them in here, right? Now, to fill in this part is easy. Between 0 and 30, f of x is below the x-axis, so it will be negative. Likewise, between 30 and 210 is positive, is above the x-axis, so there will be a positive and a positive here. On the right-hand side of 210, the graph is below the x-axis, so he'll be negative, right? Now for the last part, to figure out the derivative, you imagine yourself as an ant walking on the graph from left to right. As soon as you're going uphill, you are increasing. So we are increasing between 0 and 120. So you're increasing between 0 and 120. From 120 to 300, you're going downhill, so you are decreasing. And between 300 and 360, you are increasing. All that remains is to say negative times positive is a negative, positive times positive is a positive, positive times negative is a negative, negative times negative is a positive, and the last one will get negative. So we need to figure out where it is greater than 0. So it's going to be these guys here. So we're going to say, now we get our answer from the results of this table that we have. So it's between 30 and 120. And also between 210 and 300. Right? This sort of question can also come out in calculus, but the method is the same. See if you can do it by yourself. Thank you.